Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and if you are tired of getting tracked, banned or just bored of your real world location, imagine being anywhere in the world with just one click. Tokyo, New York or even your neighbor's rooftop. In this video, I am going to show you one of the smartest and easiest way to teleport your device anywhere around the world. And it's without jailbreak, root or any risk. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So the tool we are going to talk about is MagFone Location Changer. It's a powerful tool that lets you change your location or mock your location without jailbreak or root, and that too in just one click. Whether you are changing it for pranks, privacy or sharing live location on WhatsApp or any social media or playing Pokémon GO like games, this tool has you all covered. All the required links are in the description. So firstly, head over to this website and you will see interface like this. There you can see overview of its all features like the location changer, mock GPS movement, spoof device location and more. And once you explore all the features over this website, if you want, just download it by selecting your device and clicking on free trial. After downloading, just install it like a normal software. As I have already downloaded it on my device, I will just open it. When you open it for the first time, you will have to log in here with your account by clicking on the top right corner profile icon with a registration code. I will tell you later in this video how you can get the registration code. Then click on start button here and select the device on which you want to change location. In my case, I am going to change location on my iPhone. So I will just select iPhone from the list here and then click on next. Here you will see the instruction how to connect your device. If you are using iOS, it can connect via Wi-Fi seamlessly. For other devices, you can use USB cable too. When you click on next, you will get interface like this. There you will get a lot of options. Just click on device management icon here on the right side of your screen. Then select or turn on the device you want to change location on. You can even change location on multiple devices at the same time. Once you select the device, you are ready to change your GPS location on your device. For that, you will need to enter the location coordinates or name you want to move to. Then just select the location and then click on start modifying. Your location will be modified successfully, as you can see here. Not only this, you will see multiple options like single route, multi-route movement, or we can say single spot or multi-spot movement, which allow you to move within the particular area by selecting the route. Next is jump teleport, which allow you to instantly jump to the location without simulated movement. And then there is the joystick movement. We will cover all these features one by one. Let's focus on the multi-spot movement. It's similar to single spot movement, but here we can add multiple spots. For example, I am selecting U-shape route here. Then select how many times you want this loop route and then take a trip to that particular area within the map, obviously. Next, select the speed. I'll choose motorcycle for this example. Then choose whether you want the speed to be variable or uniform. With uniform, the speed stays constant, and with variable, it feels more realistic, like you are moving in a traffic or real world environment. Variable motion is more preferable for games, which is awesome. Once you have selected everything, click on start moving, and as you can see here, the location start moving on the map on the right side of your screen. Now let's try to jump teleport feature. For that, just select the multiple spot where you want to teleport, just like the multi-spot, but here movement is instant with no simulated travel. That's why it's called jump teleport, I think. So I selected 3 points here. Then I will choose how many rounds I want and click on start moving. As you can see, just like its name, it jumps between the selected point instantly and smoothly. No lags, works perfectly. Now let's check out joystick. When you select joystick, you will see a joystick at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on play button and then control the direction using the joystick. You can see your movement on the map in real time. Let's try to move to another country. In case you are thinking I am still in Chandigarh, let's go to Tokyo, Japan. I selected a Tokyo and clicked start modifying. You can see live on my screen I am in Japan. No lag, works beautifully. If you forget where your pin or location was on the map, just click on this aim icon to recenter your current location. You can also save locations by clicking on the star icon. It's not about maps, it also works with apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Spotify and much more. Let me show you. I open my Snapchat, check my location and you will see I am in Japan. Now let's try to change my location from Tokyo to Kasukabe. I searched Kasukabe in the MagFone app and select it, then click on start modify. but Snapchat does not update live location, so I'll just close and reopen it, and now my location is updated successfully with no issues. And as I said earlier, this works with games like Pokémon GO, Monster Hut, etc. And when you are done, you can reset your location in two ways: force close app or click on the reset icon at the bottom right corner. Now let's talk about its pricing. MagFone Location Changer is way cheaper than other alternatives. It costs just $10 a month, which is barely 33 cents a day. That's honestly awesome. You can also choose from yearly, quarterly or lifetime license, which is even more affordable in long run. They use 100% secure methods for the payments mentioned right below, and they offer 100% money back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the service. Plus they provide free technical support, as you can see here on the website. To purchase, just click on buy now, enter your payment and billing details and make the payment. After that you will get a registration code on your email. Log in with that in the MagFone Location Changer app, as I told you in the starting of this video. But before making the payment for the service, make sure to select Windows or Mac properly, because Windows license won't work on Mac and vice versa. They also offer cross-platform bundles, which are really useful too. All the required links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't forget to use discount code provided right here and in the description or in the pinned comment to get the maximum savings. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.